Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and for this video, let's draw the squid from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this squid, and to begin, we're going to draw his eye. So we're going to draw the top of his brow area first, so it's going to come around. Just kind of give it a little bit of dip, and then come back over, and then now we can draw his eyeballs. So from the middle, just gonna be one circle and one more on the other side. And then now we can fill in the eyeballs, so same kind of shape. Just let me quickly shade it in. So it's kind of looking downward. Okay, so then from there we can draw his mouth, which is going to be right underneath here. So we're just going to draw one big curve like this, and then now we're going to round it out. And then all we have to do is just connect this with a nice curve. Okay, and then for his teeth, it's just going to be really simple. So we're going to draw 1 and 2 on each side. And he's got a little bit of a creasing here, the corner of his mouth, just to give it a little bit more expression. Alright, so from there, let's draw the top of his head. So it's gonna go pretty high up. I almost ran out of paper space. So from here on the corner, just go up. Just go all the way up. And then once you reach the top, you can come back down. Just give it kind of like this big bulb shape. Okay, and then on the top there's going to be a couple more. So 1, 2, and then on the inside there's a little bit of detail, so we're going to draw one circle here, a little bit of a curve there, and there's maybe one more. Okay, so that's going to be the top of his head. So now we can finish up with all his tentacles. So now for the face, so right here we're just going to come down, just kind of stop right around there on the teeth. So now we'll go to the other side, so we're going to come down a little bit and just kind of give it a little bit of space. So that's going to be one of his tentacles. And then we're going to draw, might be a little bit tricky, so give it another space here, another one, another one. So just like, you know, 4 little dotted lines. Okay, so then from here, we left a little space out, we're going to come out. This is going to be one of the tentacles. So I'm just going to have a curve up like that. And then now for the thickness, I'm just kind of follow this curve. Doesn't have to be exact, it's just as long as it's moving upwards, right? So now we're going to close it off with this curve. And here's he's going to be wrapping the little ink bottle, and then on the other end, this end of his tentacle kind of wraps around. And then now for the ink bottle itself, so we just draw 2 straight lines like this and give it round shape, and then here's the tip. And there's got to be a little bit of a highlight here, so I'm just going to highlight it with 2 lines like that, so that we can tell it's kind of like the ink bottle, right? And we'll be able to see it once I color it in. So now moving on to the other arm. So on this one, we're going to curve up. Just kind of give it a little hump. And then we're going to curve it in. Extend that a little bit and just go all the way back. Just kind of give this line some thickness. All the way back to the head. Okay, and then now for the other little tentacle is wrapping around here. And now for the bottle cap, the ink bottle, 2 straight lines, curve. And then we're going to draw 2 straight lines out here like this. Close it with this curve. Same curve here, and then the opposite curve. One's a little bit trickier. And then here we're going to extend 2 straight lines, extending out, and then same curve as this one. And then here's the little thing that's dips into the ink. And I think for this one, yeah, we'll draw these lines too. So draw 2 lines, close it off, and this is gonna be the highlight. Draw 2 lines like that. Those areas gonna be left white. Okay, so now we can move on to this other leg. So it's gonna be 5 more on the bottom. So from this one, we'll draw this one first. Right here, we just curve it. And it should be underwater, but I guess you can just draw whatever direction you want, it's okay. So that's 1. And then we're gonna come down to the next one. Just give it some thickness, whatever curve you decide to do. Another one. One more on this side. And then there's one on this side. And that's it for this squid from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.